Good morning, students. Today I am here to explain social study of class 5th, lesson 2, the four stone ages. Students, the early humans spent much of their time in trees. However, after some time they became cave dweller. Cave dweller means a person who lives in a caves. They walked in a stoop. Stoop means a person having the head and shoulders bent forwards, resembled like an ape. They were essentially hunters. They used their brain to make implements, implements like tools, utensils, weapons of stones that could utilized in hunting. At that time, stone was so largely used by the humans in their everyday life that historians prefer to call this period as the Stone Age period. On the basis of quality and type of stone tools used by the early human, the Stone Age has been further divided into first Paleolithic or Old Stone Age, second Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age, third Neolithic or New Stone Age, and fourth Chalcolithic or Copper Stone Age. Paleolithic Age. It lasted from 5 lakh BC to about 10,000 BC. Students, the term Paleolithic is driven from the two Greek words paleo means old and lithos means stone. Thus, this age is called Old Stone Age. Paleolithic or Old Stone Age is also called the Primitive Age or the Prehistoric Age, where there is no written record was found. Only the archaeologist evidence are found. Making of stone tools and their use. Students in Paleolithic age man used stone as tools and weapons. Paleolithic humans were the first to make implements of stones. Early man used sharp-edged stones, bones, horns, wood as tools. Students, primitive humans commonly used stone was flint. It was hard stone, grey in color and could easily be shaped. Thus it was used to make knives, choppers, hand axes. Some stone tools were used to chop fruits and roots, cut meat, bones, and trees, scarp barks from trees, and hide animal skin. Discovery of fire. The discovery of fire was one of the greatest achievements of early humans. Early humans discovered fire by chance. There was the major discovery of the Old Stone Age. It happened accidentally by rubbing the two pieces of flint stone and the sparks fallen on some dry leaves and it catches fire. Student, there are some advantages of fire also. Students, there are many advantages of fire in early human life. He got warmth and light from it. He could roast his food, which became tastier and digestible. He could also scare away animals, but burning fire at the entrance of his cave during night. Now, food and shelter. The Paleolithic humans are basically gatherers and wanderers. They did not know how to grow food, so they were mainly depend on fruits and animals hunting. Primitive humans are also called wanderers who move place to place in search of food and shelter. So, for shelter, he went to caves and sometimes hide himself behind thick tree leaves for shelter against rough weather and wild animals. Now come to clothing. Early humans wore the skin of hunted animals to protect himself against rain or cold. He also used bark of trees or leaves to cover his body. Now, social life. Early humans lived in small groups of particularly to protect themselves from wild animals. They do not live a settled life because they are nomads. They are moved from one place to another in groups in search of food and water. Art and painting. The primitive humans were very good in arts. They are mainly painted on the walls of the cave they lived in. Paleolithic or primitive humans paintings mainly depict hunting scenes, figures of animals and groups of human beings. Now come to religions, belief. The Paleolithic humans worshipped nature in all its form: the sun, the moon, the stars, the rain, and the wild animals. The name Mesolithic comes from two words: meso means middle and lithos means stone. Thus it is also called Middle Stone Age. This is the middle part of Old Stone Age and New Stone Age. Students, man learned to make tools using bones and horns along with stones. Reason of using bones and horns are lighter and flexible than stone. So variety of things are made like bows, arrows, fishing hooks, etc. The Mesolithic period people lived by hunting, gathering and fishing, and the period is characterized by the use of microliths. Micro means small, lith means stone, means small stone. In Mesolithic age, the first domestication of animal like dog is used. With an increase in grass, the number of grass-eating animals like deer, goat, sheep, antelope, and cattle also increased. It also led to the domestication of several animals. Mesolithic tools widely found in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh. They use stones which are smaller and sharper than the Paleolithic Stone Age. At that time, in Age, they use stone tools, but in Mesolithic age, they use stones, not stones, but tools which are made of bones and horns. They were therefore called the microlithic tools. They were generally 1 to 5 centimeter long and included scrapers, borers, arrowheads, etc. Microlith tools have been discovered in various parts of India also. Shelter. The Mesolithic humans still lived in caves and raw shelters. Neolithic Age. The term Neolithic is derived from the two Greek words neo means new and lithos means stone, and it is also called the New Stone Age. In the Neolithic age, farms animals were first domesticated. Domesticated means a process of taming an animal and keeping it as a pet. It was one of the most important ages of human development when people changed a hunter-gatherer to a producer of food and rear of animals. They start taming the animals for their agriculture. With the beginning of agriculture, every humans began to lead a settled life. The Neolithic man, in an effort to protect his crops, began to live in houses near his fields. Houses were built in small groups on different fertile grasslands that further developed into villages. The Neolithic man also domesticated animals, and they also realized the importance of cattle in farming. Now, therefore, cattle, goats, sheep, and horses were also tamed by Neolithic humans. There is one more discovery made by Neolithic people, humans, the discovery of the wheel. One of the greatest achievements of the Neolithic humans was the discovery of the wheel. It is supposed that the idea of the wheel comes from a stone or a log of wood rolling towards. This new invention made the life of Neolithic humans easier. The wheel was used for making pots and utensils. They carry heavy loads from one place to another. They started invention of the potter's wheel helped the Neolithic humans in making various types of earthen pots. In Hindi we can say matki or matka. The pots were used for the storage of food, grains and water. The Neolithic people also used weapons were made sharp and polished. Tools were now made of stone, bones and wood. They were painted with different colors. The main tools and weapons included chisels, hammers, mortars, disc buttons, sticks, etc. The bone tools included harpoons for fishing, needles for sewing, and arrowheads, spearheads, and daggers for hunting. Which type of clothes they are wearing? They used barks of trees and skin of animals. Later on, they learned the art of weaving clothes. Jute, cotton, and wool were used for making clothes. Religious beliefs. Like the Paleolithic humans, the Neolithic also worshipped the forces of nature and natural phenomena like sun, moon, stars, storm, thunder, and lightning. Chalcolithic age. The term Chalcolithic is derived from the two Greek words. Kalos means copper and lithos means stone, and it is also called Copper Age. This age was characterized by an extensive or large use of copper and bronze. Bronze was an alloy of copper and tin. Alloy means a metal made by combining two or more metallic elements. It was used to make fine and durable or hard weapons due to an extensive large use of metals. The Chalcolithic age is also known as the age of metals. In India, the Chalcolithic sites has been found in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. Now we come to tools. Which type of tools Chalcolithic people, humans are made? Swords, daggers, spears, arrows, razors, knives, axes, and needles were the common tools of the Chalcolithic humans. Beside the potter's wheel, numbers many other wheeled vehicles were invented in this age. Pottery, painted pottery was a particular feature of the Chalcolithic age. The most commonly used utensils were stemmed cups, spouted cases, bowls, dishes, big storage jars, and basins. Now come to cultivation of crops. The Chalcolithic man grew crops in rotation: wheat, barley, rice, black and green grams, green pea, and lentils were the commonly grown crops. Lentil means a high protein pulse. Which type of religion they are follow? Religion believes the worship of the mother goddess as the mother of soil grain. Prominence means importance. Bull was also worshipped. Fire worship was commonly, as is evident from discovery of fire altars. A strong belief in life after death continued to dominate the minds of the Chalcolithic man. Means they worship fire and the mother goddess as the mother of soil. Thank you. I hope you will understand the lesson. Stay safe and keep learning.